kagen. All right, class, listen up. Today we are learning the new word kagen. This word can refer to the degree of something, like when you're cooking and you think, should I add a pinch more salt or is that too much salt? That's kagen. It's all about finding the right balance, whether in food, exercise, or even in life. Just remember, too much of anything can be a bad thing, even happiness. Can you believe it? So every time you adjust something, like your blender setting for smoothie perfection, just say, I'm finding the perfect kagen. It's fun! Kagen becomes your new best friend for adjustments. Now, repeat after me. Kagen, kagen, kagen. When cooking, a chef needs to say how much seasoning to add for the right taste, so they mention adjustments. 料理をするとき、調味料の加減を考えなければなりません。When cooking, you have to think about the degree of seasoning. 料理をするとき、調味料の加減を考えなければなりません。料理をするとき、調味料の加減を考えなければなりません。In a therapy session, a counselor tells a client that they must find the right amount of stress management, so they refer to balance. セラピーでストレスの加減を見つけることが大切です。In therapy, it's important to find the right amount of stress management. セラピーでストレスの加減を見つけることが大切です。セラピーでストレスの加減を見つけることが大切です。When a doctor tells a patient to change their medicine amount, they might say they need to adjust the dosage. 医者が薬の加減をすると言いました。The doctor said to adjust the medicine. 医者が薬の加減をすると言いました。医者が薬の加減をすると言いました。When a chef is cooking and needs to change the amount of salt, they usually say they will adjust the recipe. シェフは塩の加減をしています。The chef is adjusting the amount of salt. シェフは塩の加減をしています。シェフは塩の加減をしています。Now let's dive into the kanjis. The first kanji, ka, in kagen, means add or increase. It's often used in contexts involving bringing more of something into a situation. For instance, seika means addition, which is used when something extra is included. The word kuaeru is a verb meaning to add, specifically in the sense of adding one thing to another. Another common word is samka, which means participation, implying the addition of one's presence or involvement in an activity. The second kanji, gen, in kagen, means decrease or reduce. This kanji is used when talking about making something less or smaller. Heru is a verb meaning to decrease, while gensho speaks more broadly of a reduction. It often refers to a decline in numbers or amounts. In a financial context, genzei means tax reduction, indicating a decrease in the amount you pay for taxes. Finally, let's practice the word kagen with some questions. Can you create a sentence about how the balance, kagen, of flavors in cooking, ryori, is difficult, muzukashi? Think about your cooking experiences. 料理の加減が難しいです。The balance of flavors in cooking is difficult. 料理の加減が難しいです。料理の加減が難しいです。Can you make a sentence about checking the condition, 加減 of your body, 体? Consider how you feel physically. 私の体の加減をチェックします。I will check the condition of my body. 私の体の加減をチェックします。私の体の加減をチェックします。Can you form a sentence about adjusting the amount, 加減 of work, 仕事? Think about managing workload. 彼は仕事の加減を調整します。He adjusts the amount of work he has. 彼は仕事の加減を調整します。彼は仕事の加減を調整します。Can you make a sentence expressing that the amount, 加減 of salt, 塩 in the soup is exquisite, 絶妙. Picture a delicious soup you've tasted. スープの塩の加減が絶妙です。The saltiness of the soup is exquisite. スープの塩の加減が絶妙です。スープの塩の加減が絶妙です。And that's it for today, my fantastic learners. Remember, life is all about 加減, finding that perfect balance. If you enjoyed this lesson, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Until next time, stay balanced and peace.